Si Tita Mariah. Sige po, kunwari po kayo ay nasa The Clash. Ganon. So, kantahin niyo po yung gusto ninyong kantahin in front of everyone. Ipakita niyo po kung sino kayo. Ipakita niyo po ang galing ninyo sa pagkanta. In 3, 2, 1, go! There were nights when the wind was so cold, body frozen bed if I just listened to it right outside the window. There were days when the sun was so cruel, all the tears turned to dust, and I just knew my eyes were drying up forever. But you were history when the slamming of the door, and I feel myself so strong again somehow, and I banished every memory you and I had ever made. Bye, 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 if you touch me like this, and if you call me like that, it was not with the wind, but it's all coming back to me now. Grabe, tinapos naman po niya agad ang laban, no? Oo, palakpakan naman po natin si Tita Mariah. Thank you so much. I think palitan niyo na po ako. Tita Mariah, thank you po so much. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Sorry po. Sorry po, ma'am. Ano po? Dalawa na yung mic natin, no? Oo, para... Ang gagaling talaga ng mga taga-Cebu. Grabe! Palakpakan nyo naman ang inyong mga sarili, guys. And our next contestant is... Hali po kayo. Sino po ang gusto mauna? Ba't parang may tatago sila dito sa... Ay, wala nang gustong sumunod. Ay, sali ka dito, ate. Ikaw na lang po. Parang wala po siyang choice, no? Ate, ano po pangalan po ninyo?
Check po.
Po?
Check.
Che?
Yes po.
Che, are you with anyone right now? Are you with someone?
Yes, I'm with my boyfriend.
Oh, where is your boyfriend at?
Over there.
Over there? The boyfriend, where? Oh, hello! Hi! My name is Julie. Is it okay if I ask your girlfriend to sing? Ilang taon na, halika dito ate, ilang taon na kayo ng jowa mo?
2 years pa po.
2 years pa? Anong 2 years pa? 2 years pa? 2 years pa kayo? 2 years pa lang.
2 years pa lang.
Ayun, 2 years pa. Paano kayo nag-meet? Saan kayo nagkakilala?
We met here.
Oh, you guys met here. So, dahil 2 years pa lang kayo, do you plan to, taga saan yung boyfriend mo?
From Israel po.
Oh, nako. Oh, ako. Oo nga, kasi yung napunta po kasi kami last time sa Israel, medyo ano po yung namin. Medyo nakakawindang-windang po yung experience namin kasi ayun po. But anyway, sige, kanta ka na po. Halika na. Halika na. Anong gusto mong kantahin? If there is one song that you would like to sing in front of everyone, especially if you want to dedicate a song for your boyfriend, what would it be?
I just want to sing one of the songs of Aegis.
Aegis? Ay, bongga! Taray, Aegis! Rock and roll! Palakpakan naman natin si Ate Che. Aegis pala ang gusto. Okay, sige. Hilaban mo na yan. Ladies and gentlemen, Che. Akala ko ikaw ay aking totoo sa aking paningin. Ngunit nang ikaw ay akapin, naglalaho sa dali. Ikaw ang aking minahal, kasama ko ang may kapangyarihan. Ikaw pala ay naging isa, ikaw pala ay naging isa. Kaya mo yan. Naging isang hangad, naghahangad ng isang katulad mo. Hindi ko na kailangan, umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo ngayon ay naglaw na. Ngunit ikaw ay ang tandaan, ako'y masyadong nasaktan. Yan lang. Ate, isang linya na lang, hindi mo pa tinaapos. Pag-ibig at pagsuyo na kahit mo sa luha, babayaran mo. Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin, Ate Check. Unang-una sa lahat, parang naman, mahal mo pa naman yung boyfriend mo, di ba, Ate? Kasi parang ang sakit naman nung sorry mo. Sorry daw.
May pinagdadaanan.
Ay, pasensya na po. Halika, Ate. Kayakapin na lang po kita. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. Minsan talaga kasi sa dagok ng buhay natin, especially ngayon, ang dami-dami na nangyayari sa buhay natin, ang dami-dami na nangyayari sa paligid natin, sa bansa natin. Kaya naman, guys, ang importante talaga ay kumapit lang talaga tayo at let's all hope for the best that everything is gonna be okay one day. Alright?
Thank you po, Miss.
Okay, palakpakan naman po natin si Ate Jack.
Thank you.
Nilaban naman po niya ang kanyang luha by ages. Thank you, Ate. Sino po ang next contestant? You may go back to your boyfriend. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay? Ay, ayan na. Okay. At ano ang pangalan ninyo?
Stephanie.
Stephanie, ano pong gusto niyo kantahin? After all. Wow, ang napakagandang song. Kahit chorus, Ate. Ayan. Alright, let's get it! Ate Stephanie, let's go!
Well, here we are again. I guess it must be fate. We tried it on our own, but deep inside we've known we'll be back to set things straight. I still remember when your kiss was so brand new. Every memory repeats. Every steps I'll take retreats. Every journey always brings me back to you. After all the stops that start, we keep coming back to these two hearts. Two angels who've been rescued from the fall. And after all that we've been through, it all comes down to me and you. I guess it's meant to be.
Yes.
Forever you and me. After all.
After all! Ang galing, Ate Steph. Nakaraos daw. Thank you, Ate Stephanie. Kanina kinikindatan ako ni Ate Stephanie habang kumakanta siya. No? Maraming salamat sa iyo, Ate Steph. Ito na po ang exit ng swab test. Okay. Sino po ang next contestant? Ang next po na mag-audition for the Clash? Hello po. Ano po pangalan ninyo? Po?
Ay, Jaja.
Jaja.
Yan.
Padilla? Charing. Halika, ate. Ano po gusto niyo kantahin?
I'd like to sing Carpenter song.
Okay, sige po. Yes po. Palakpakan naman po natin, guys.
Hi, good evening everyone. So I'm gonna be singing a Carpenter song titled Close to You.
Ay, wow. Alam mo, favorite song ko yan.
Yeah, I really like this song as well. Alright. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled moon dust in your hair, of golden starlight in your eyes, so blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they long to be close to you.
Wow! Ten, 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 ten! 100! Wow! Thank you, ate. Maraming salamat po. Oh, thank you po. Of course. Picture lang ko po kayo. Okay. Picture ko. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Alright. Maraming salamat din po ate. Dito po tayo sa exit po. Dito po ang exit ng swab test. Thank you so much at ang ating last contestant for today's video. Halika po tita, ano po pang name ninyo? Po? Joy. 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 Oh, a joy to the world. Okay. Miss Joy, ano pong gusto ninyong kantahin para po sa ating audience?
Song from Air Supply.
Oh, song from Air Supply. Alam nyo, in all fairness talagang mga iconic songs talaga ang mga piyesa. Sige po, dito po tayo sa gitna po. Miss Joy. Ready na po tayo? Okay po?
Here I am, playing with those memories again. And just when I thought time had set me free, those thoughts of you keep taunting me, holding you. A feeling I never outgrew, though each and every part of me has died. Only you can feel that space inside. So there's no sense pretending my heart is not mending. Just when I thought I was over you, and just when I thought I could stand on my own, oh baby, those memories come crashing through, and I just can't go on without you.
Miss Joy, thank you so much. We feel so inspired by your song and yes, God bless po. Thank you, Miss Joy. Joy to the world. Thank you po. Alright, palakpakan